Alright guys, well, I wasn't expecting to make this video, but we had some complications for today. So this is sort of at least one video I could post for today. It's going to be a one take all I do because I can't even use my editing software. Basically what happened was today was supposed to be when I uploaded my second episode of the Unknown podcast, and that did not turn out to work. The reason for that is because Adobe Premiere decided to have the same issues it had a couple of weeks ago, 1 or 2 weeks ago, when I was making my 10th day recap video. And right now it's showing me for an hour and a half with the podcast. It's going to take about 47 hours, 37 minutes, and 25 seconds. We're at 9% rendering, and I started rendering sometime at like 4 or 5. So it's been rendering for a while now. I don't think it's going to take 2 days, but it's definitely not going to be done by today. The issue here is that Adobe doesn't want to use my CPU and my GPU whatsoever. So my CPU is at like 20% throughout the whole thing. My GPU does not use any power at all. And I do have hardware, everything set up. And so I had this issue before. I actually went down to a lower updated version of Adobe, which seemed to have helped it a little bit. I now updated again to the newest version, see if it would maybe help, and it turns out it didn't, and it may have made things worse, it may not. So I'm trying to give this a chance to at least reach 10 or 15%, because sometimes the first couple of percentage are a lot slower. And the reason for that is because Adobe is doing something different, but we will see. If it's not, I guess we're just gonna have to wait it out. I don't want to mess around with it and have to, waste 4 or 5 hours of rendering now. So that is why I'm actually doing a one take here, because I'm just gonna upload this straight into my YouTube channel as like a cover video, so you guys know what's going on. And then once this is actually ready, I'm just gonna upload it as if I uploaded it for today. I do apologize for this. It's I shouldn't be making mistakes like these, right? But again, podcasting is something new to me, and so it was really rushed to get this video recorded and then edit it out. So yeah, complications happens once in a while. I do apologize for that, but I will make sure that most likely tomorrow this video will be out here, so I'll let you guys know. But I do apologize, guys, for the issues going on. Besides that, we have some good content coming soon as well, and next week, for next Monday, the third episode of the podcast, I will make sure I edit and render that out at least 2 days ahead of time. So if it has to take 48 hours, I'm not concerned. So I'm gonna have to do a lot better job at editing and rendering. I can't talk, and getting into work. So I do apologize, guys, once again, but that is the situation here. Fortunately, I didn't want to make this video, but it is what it is. That being said, though, guys, have a great rest of your night, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we get the podcast uploaded. All right, guys, peace out.